Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing and installation of this Kingston 240gb UV400 which I purchased from Amazon. I shall install it on this 13-inch MacBook Pro, a late 2011 model. Startups have been super slow. Also will be upgrading to High Sierra from Mountain Lion. If you want to increase the performance of your laptop or computer, this is the perfect upgrade. You have different sizes available from Kingston. This is a very slim 2.5-inch SSD. These SSDs are a better upgrade to the traditional hard drive. This is extremely small, fits in a laptop and desktop. I'm going to use it as my boot drive. The process of installation is pretty simple. Read and write speeds are approximately 550 megabytes per second and write approximately 500 megabytes per second. Okay, let's go with the opening. There we go. Quite thin metal construction and quite light. Let me get hold of a normal hard drive. There we go. SSD and a normal hard drive. If you drop this, nothing will happen, but if you drop this one, chances it's kaput. Okay, let's quickly go and open the MacBook and install this. 1, 2, 3. For 1 minute and 28 seconds approximately. Boot time. Screws to be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, 2 at the side. I've already removed most of the screws. I just need to remove 2 of them. Bottom panel out. Let me zoom in it a bit. Installation is very simple. 2 screws out here. Lift the hard drive. Gently pry the ribbon out, the connector. There we go. Four screws out here need to be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and remove them. the screws fitted. I'll go ahead and connect it now. By the way, I've removed the ROM drive. I'm gonna be fixing a Caddy later. That's a Caddy. And the old hard drive I shall be installing out here. Now put the panel back. Up 1, 2 and 3. Wow, that's 28 seconds approximately. 28 seconds to boot. That will be all for now. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, my friends. Also feel free if you have any queries, please ask. Thank you.